Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker not responding to voice commands troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Make sure the microphone is turned on. Check the microphone mute switch on the side or back of the speaker. If the microphone is muted, turn it back on. Then wait for a few seconds and try saying, "Hey Google." Fix 2. Restart the speaker. Unplug the speaker from the power outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow it to fully restart. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Then test a voice command again. Fix 3. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the speaker is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Restart your router if the smart devices are also having connection issues. Then keep the speaker within range of your Wi-Fi router. Fix 4. Retrain voice match. Open the Google Home app, then tap on your profile picture. Now go to Assistant Settings, then go to Voice Match. Now retrain your voice model by following the on-screen instructions. Fix 5. Speak clearly and reduce background noise. Say "Hey Google" from within a few feet of the speaker. Lower the volume of TVs, fans, or music while testing. Try using the wake phrase in a quiet room. Fix 6. Check for Google Home app updates. Update the Google Home app from your device's App Store, and after updating, reopen the app and verify the speaker appears online. Fix 7. Factory reset the speakers. Press and hold the device's factory reset button or the microphone mute button on some older models for about 15 seconds until you hear the reset confirmation. Now set up the speaker again in the Google Home app. Fix 8. Contact Google support. If your speaker still doesn't respond after completing the steps above, contact Google support. They can help diagnose hardware problems, verify warranty status, or guide you through advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.